Hey guys, welcome back to Bifumo's channel. Sama loltas dile kamsang. Ani so guys, we are back again, and I'm really sorry for all my Tibetan fans. I am actually going to speak in Tibet. I'm actually going to speak in English right now. Yes, so I've got this beautiful mask from Eye Shield, and first of all, I'm very thankful to the Eye Shield company who has approached me and wanted to collaborate with me. So I got these few products, and they wanted me to give a review on it, and I'm happy to be a part of it. So this is a Eye Shield face mask. Okay, it is made in India, and I think these masks are very useful for all of you. And the good thing is made up of premium cotton, and it kills 99.9% of COVID-19 virus. Believe it or not, you can actually search whether it's true or not. I can give you guys a link in my description box, and you can check it out whether it's true or not. So I would tell you my own review. First of all, let me give you a brief introduction about the Eye Shield face mask itself. So this face mask, it is made up of 6 layers. Okay, the inner and the outer layers are made up of IS-212 molecule. So the outer layer protects you from the external threats, and the inner layer protects others in case you are infected. Not just that, you can wash this. It is like washable and reusable. You can use it for 3 months. Yeah, I feel like that's amazing. It's a great deal. So you can wash it and use it again and again, and it's actually it's actually worth buying. The next thing is, it is made from premium cotton, and to be honest, like it is really comfortable. And there are few masks, when you wear it, your skin becomes very uncomfortable. Your skin starts to get rashes and all that. Since it is made up of cotton, it's really comfortable to wear. It has adjustable earlobe straps, which you can see over here. See, you can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust like this or like this. Okay, so you can adjust and the good thing is, you can easily get this mask in Amazon. I know everyone use Amazon app, right? So it is made in India product, 100% made in India. And if you have any doubt regarding the mask, you can obviously go check out their link, www.eyeshield.com, which I've given in the description box also. If you want to check further details, you can go to the link provided in the description box, and you can find out more. So yeah, coming to the price, it is only 199 rupees. Okay, and you can easily get it in Amazon app. Everyone has Amazon app, and if you guys want to try, just buy it. And I like my honest review, it is really good. I'm not saying because I got it for free. I'm saying it because it's really comfortable, and it's easy to breathe, and it's really nice. I found it quite amazing. So you guys can use, and if you like my video, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. Bye guys.